Hello everyone, this is the week overview for May 18th to 22nd. We're talking about the pre-Civil War. Now the topic is the pre-Civil War America. What did it look like and how did we get to the Civil War? The essential question is, what events in the mid-1800s kept the nation together and which events pulled it apart? The only assignment this week is the Pre-Civil War Study Guide. The test is Friday, May 22nd. You may use the study guide on the test. It's up to you how much or how little you work on the study guide. These are the same questions as on the test, so make sure you study these questions and are prepared to answer them on the Friday test. On Monday, May 18th, you're going to start reading Chapter 21, A Dividing Nation. We want you to read Chapter 21, take your notes in the study guide, and look for the answers to the test questions and examine the key terms and concepts. It's a little bit of a longer chapter, so break up your time throughout the week. It's not going to take you 30 minutes, so read it throughout the week as you go. Make sure that you can answer the chapter question, what events in the mid-1800s kept the nation together and which events pulled it apart. That is the written portion of your test on Friday. On Tuesday, May 19th, you're going to be watching Crash Course U.S. History number 18 on YouTube. We want you to watch the crash course and answer the questions in the study guide. These are also going to be on the test. You're going to be completing that, hopefully on Tuesday, to save yourself time. And please note, read the questions in your journal entry beforehand and turn on the closed captioning on the YouTube video so that you can read along with the clips. Now, something that we do every year is watch Ken Burns' The Civil War. We watch episode 1, The Cause, in class. But because we can't do that right now, we're assigning it to you. You can divide your time between Wednesday and Thursday by watching sections of it, or, if you have the time, we recommend you watch the entire episode 1. You can do this with a movie night with your parents, but please note there is strong racial language in this documentary. So if you choose to do movie night, we recommend you watch it with your parents, get a snack, and watch together. This means that you can complete your study guide, have a movie night with your parents, and save you some work time during the day on Wednesday and Thursday. It would be best for you to watch it on Wednesday, saving you the time to study before the test. Now, if you don't want to do a movie night, you could watch The Cause from start to 23 minutes in on Wednesday. We want you to watch the beginning of The Cause and make sure you fill in the blank answers in the study guide. These fill in the blank questions in the study guide are also on the test. Work on completing that by Wednesday, but if you want to save it for movie night that evening, go for it. Please note, strong racial language in this documentary, so if you're going to be watching it with some younger siblings, we recommend maybe not having them in the room. Thursday is very similar. Watch The Cause from minute 23 to minute 50, and it's the same stuff as before. Just finish up and end at minute 50 there. Now on Friday, May 22nd, you're going to be taking the Pre-Civil War test. You can use your study guide, so remember, whatever you do in your study guide will be helpful for you on the test. Please note all the questions from Chapter 21, Crash Course, and The Cause will be on the test. Now, we're not trying to trick you. Make sure that you have a pre-written answer to the chapter question. If you have it pre-written for the test, you just need to copy and paste it in. The question is, which events in the mid-1800s kept the nation together and which events pulled it apart? Now to wrap up, here's your lesson activity checklist. The study guide is not graded. Completing the study guide will help you on the pre-Civil War test. The study guide has Chapter 21 readings, questions, and the pre-written chapter question. It has a crash course and the cause fill in the blanks. Once again, it's not graded, but it will help you on the pre-Civil War test on Friday. Some additional notes for you. You're completing these assignments over 5 days, and you can work at your own pace. It's up to you how much or how little you work on this study guide. The exact questions are going to be used on the test. You may not see all of them, but those are the only questions we'll pull from to create our test on Friday. We recommend the movie night with your parents to watch The Cause. It'll shorten your work time during the day, and hopefully it's a little more entertaining that way. Please note the strong language. Alright everybody, have a great week, and we'll talk to you later.